But maybe he was just a man who loved too much. Science says the same part of our brain that feels love also feels obsession. And when love turns into purpose, the line between passion and madness disappears. Eren Yeager didn't lose his mind. He sacrificed it. He carried the weight of a world that hated him until his heart became a weapon. They say insanity is doing the same thing and expecting a different result. But Eren kept fighting, not for victory, but for freedom. Maybe that's the most beautiful way to go insane.